Okay, so now what the electrician is going to do is going to wire the line wire. So this is what supplies power from the house to the thermostat and the heating system. So we're putting the white under the neutral terminal, which is in N, so L2N, so that's terminal number 3. Okay, so make sure you tighten those. And then you want to do the black to the terminal 2, which is the line side. Okay, there you go. So the wiring of the NUHEAT thermostat is complete. The ground braid from the mat is connected to the ground screw, and the 2 NUHEAT wires coming from the NUHEAT mat is on 1 and 4, whereas the line wires from the house goes into terminals 2 and 3.